It's Jonathan Leeming here. I'm so excited to be part of the Eswatini Snakebite Symposium 2019.
I'm very proud to announce that I'm going to be speaking at Croc World at Scottsboro on the South Coast. I'll be speaking on behalf of the Drumblade Conservancy 59th Annual Walkerville Agricultural Show.
I'll be at Singita Promotional in Zimbabwe. I'm leading a walk to explore the caves in search of violin spiders at Hoogland Health Hydro. I'm speaking at the Miss Earth Leadership Workshop at Gold Reef City. Speaking at the launch of my latest book in Johannesburg, Cosmo City for National Science Week. Deadly Innovation for U3A Pretoria, Simbiti in Belito, Ulasaba, Scorpion Survey at Wakefield Farm near Midmar Dam, Bite Me for the Garland Ladies in Johannesburg, fundraising event over Zoom for Friends of Free Wildlife, Tinga, Notton's Bush Camp, Tracker Academy Londolozi, Wits University for Yebo Khocha. I'm going to be speaking at the Cowie Museum in Port Alfred for a Kiddies Insect Day, presenting an arachnid course at Talperon Private Game Reserve on behalf of Oppenheimer Generations, filming for Boss Bokkies, oh yeah, Sabi Sabi, Lion Sands, Youth Leadership Workshop in Pretoria. I'm speaking at the 2019 African Bird Fair at the Walter Sisulu Botanical Gardens. I'm giving a workshop for traffic officers and the army in Botswana on behalf of De Beers, Johannesburg Hiking Club, Elephant Plains, Londolozi, One World Sustainability Workshop at Kloofendal Nature Reserve. I'm speaking at the 2019 Oppenheimer Conservation Conference in Midrand, One World Sustainability Workshop for Singita Sabi Sands. I'm speaking at an Endangered Wildlife Trust dinner meeting on spider bites. Enjoy your meal. Green Building Council of South Africa's conference at the Sandton Convention Centre, Conservation Leadership Workshop for Sandby and Nelspruit. Come and join me for the launch of my latest book. Speaking to doctors at a clinic in Zimbabwe, anti-venom management course in the Northern Cape, One World Sustainability Workshop in Bloemfontein for Sambi, joining up with the Lowveld venom suppliers for an amateur herpetological apprenticeship and mentorship program in Swadini, presenting Bite Me over Zoom, Creepy Crawly Night Walk at Marloth Park, speaking at the Johannesburg Zoo for National Science Week, Deadly Innovation in Boksburg, Tracker Academy Samara Private Game Reserve, running around Swalu Kalahari working on a scorpion survey, spider and scorpion course for Friends of Nelsvlei at Nelsvlei, insect painting for kids, so much fun. I'm speaking on behalf of the World Wildlife Fund in the Western Cape, presenting One World Inspire in Pretoria. I'll be scratching around Phinda and dodging rhinos, or that's the plan. Mountain Club of South Africa. I'm speaking at the launch of my 2019 revision of Scorpions of Southern Africa. SA Hunters, Utopian Nature Farm, speaking about snake bites in Rustenburg. Training field guides at Bajan Nature Guide Training. I'm presenting Venom at the Ditsong National Museum of Natural History in Pretoria. Arachnid course at Butterfly World, Cape Town. Kids Nature Activity Day with the team from Lowveld Venom Supplies. I'm giving a formal lecture on spider bites and scorpion stings at the Bulawayo Natural History Museum in Zimbabwe. Adult Creepy Crawly Night Walk. That sounds seriously dodgy. Spider bite and scorpion sting first aid course at Ashaka Marine World in Durban. Book auction to raise money for Free and Wild Rehabilitation Centre in Marloth Park. And an epic weekend of 8 legs of awesomeness at Croc World on the South Coast.
Thank you very much, General.
So these past couple of days with John have been incredible.
Learning about things that sometimes we take for granted.
This week was something exciting that I've learned when we had like a motivational speaker here about One World.
It's been an awesome few days getting a window into kind of the insight of scorpions and spiders. For me personally, it's kind of been a thing I've always avoided just because I know nothing about them. And it's been really kind of incredible to be let into their world.
What does the One World mean to me, and what have I learned from the previous 2 days? The first thing is it's how much as humans have disconnected from the natural environment.
I really enjoyed my last few days with Jono. Realized that there's a lot of misconceptions about spiders and scorpions.
I could never ever face even looking at them, let alone hold one in my hand. And I've done it, and it was totally opposite to what I thought in terms of the feel.
This One World course that we did with you, Jonathan, was just absolutely amazing. For me personally, it gave me an opportunity to think about the whole conservation world and the issues that we deal with from a bird's eye view.